Zoom.
He's dark. I don't know if it's a grow up with this one. That one looks darker than
Is that Bristol?
I don't know. I can't tell.
No, it's unmarked.
No, it's unmarked.
Just choking.
It's ours, wrestling.
Well, that wasn't hard. It's being a bully. He's a fat bully.
Good job, Wyatt. Really, Riri?
Dear Lord, look at him all. Get him.
Wyatt's like
Armando Jr., get over here.
usually light colored.
He is the lightest one. His twin died.
Yeah, that was
Oh,
the
is
one.
that the one that-
Yeah, when he was born.
I mean, you could say freaking specials is point.
Boom.
No, it's special.
And he's going potty.
Is it? Is she? Oh, yeah, she is. She got this stripe going on her
Oop,
back.
careful, YY.
Is that ours over here?
Well, I can't tell. I think
Oh,
ours
you're
coming to
fat.
you.
You're fat. I was gonna say this one's fat too.
Look at
What
that.
color is your guys' color?
It's the pink
The
one.
pink with,
That one right
with
there.
The
ball
dark
and
pink
skull.
one?
No,
With-
ours is
oh,
right
that
there.
one?
Balls and skull.
Yeah, it's right there in the water.
Oh, it's got paw prints and bones on it. It's pink.
Coming right to you.
This one?
Yep.
What are you doing first?
Oh, you're the pain in the butt one.
Here's my little girl. Hi, baby. She's all wet.
Really? You got shit in the neighbor's yard?